In this video, I will show you how to disassemble this 2016 Mazda 6 full LED headlight. I will begin by removing the rest of the lens. I've disconnected the lens from the light. There is a single wire harness connector connecting the body of the light to the front LED daytime running light. Simply disconnect it. Here we can see that the front bezel with the LEDs is connected to the front lens using a series of Phillips head screws. Next, I will remove the Phillips head screws holding on all of the LED lights. The LEDs on the front bezel are all plastic welded into place. They cannot be easily removed and reinstalled. There are two Phillips head screws holding in the LED ballast here on the inside corner of the lamp. There is one plastic mounting clip holding the projector bracket in place. The bracket is normally held in place by this top adjuster bolt, but this bracket is broken, so it's disconnected from this. Normally we would have to loosen this bolt in order to pull the projector bracket off, but in my case it's already broken, so it's loose. Next, I'm going to remove the two Phillips head screws holding in the LED driver module. The last thing we need to do is disconnect the wire harness connectors on the bottom of the light. In order to remove the wire harness connector, I'm going to use a small flathead screwdriver and slide it in underneath the clip at the base of the connector. I'm going to slide it in and depress the clip while pushing forward on the connector until it comes loose. With both connectors disconnected from the light, I'm going to push them through the holes into the light. The headlight housing is now empty. In order to remove the projector from the bracket, we need to remove this bottom AFS motor. There are two Phillips head screws holding the AFS motor on. Simply pull the AFS motor off, and the projector will come free from the bracket. The last step is to remove this wire harness clip. There are a series of Phillips head screws holding this LED unit together. I will go ahead and start removing them now. The headlight is now fully disassembled. Here are the components from the light. Here's the high beam LED. Here's the low beam LED. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.